Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can restrict accounts on Instagram. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Instagram. Then you can either go through your home feed if you want to go on there. Then you can obviously click on their name on there. Or you can go on your profile picture. And if you want to restrict somebody you're following or any of your followers, just click on that and select the person you want to restrict. Then what you want to do is click on the three dots on the top right hand side, and you should see at the top restrict. So all you have to do is click on that, and it should give you the option to press learn more at the bottom of the page once you've done that. And this will just let you know they won't see when you're online or when you've read their messages. Their messages to you will be moved to message requests. Only you and they will be able to see their new comments on your posts unless you approve them. When trying to tag or mention you, they'll see a message that you don't let everyone do this. We won't let them know you restricted them. You can also come out here and it should say on their profile as well, you have restricted that person, and you can also just select unrestrict on there to obviously unrestrict them if you wish to do so. So that's how you can restrict accounts on Instagram. Thanks for watching.